how to manage units of measure on DuckDuckGo browser on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is easy. Just follow with me until the end. Go here to DuckDuckGo browser. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to those three lines, click on all settings, and now on this page all what you have to do is just go to general, scroll down, you will find units of measure. You can now manage it from here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.